welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s in the zebra colorway. Now if you guys didn't already know, they will be doing a restock this Friday the 9th of November. These initially dropped in February 2017 in very limited quantities, and then they did do a second drop that same year, and that's when I got mine. And then this time around I think it should be quite an easy cop because a lot of places will be stocking them. As far as I know, here in Melbourne, the places that will be dropping them are Sneaker Boy, Adidas Original, Up There Store, INCU, Foot Locker and JD Sport, and I'm pretty sure there will be a lineup, so first come first serve, but I'll link them all in the description bar below so you can check like Instagram just to be sure. The retail price on this is 320 Australian dollars. In terms of sizing, I recommend going at least half a size up or one full size up for these because they do fit small, and when they're fresh out of the box you'll find that it's quite snug around the toe box, but the knit does loosen up over time. For me, I got this in a men's US 7 and my true to size is a men's US 6. So I also decided to include a small lookbook thing in this video because I know a lot of you guys will be getting your hands on these, and to be honest, this is not my favorite colorway of the V2s, and mine are still pretty new even though I've had them for a while now. But then I took them out of the box this week to try them on again, and I think it's actually a look. So let's just jump into some on-feet and outfit things. Outfit number one, I'm wearing a jacket and a crop top from Pretty Little Thing, and I paired it with some cargo pants from Misguided, and then I've also added an Elix belt as well as an Elix backpack. Now with the Yeezy sneakers, there are a couple ways that I like to wear them in terms of lacing them. So here you can just see I've done like a twisty rope looking thing. I think it looks pretty cute. If you guys want to know how to do it, let me know in the comments below and I can do a video, but it is pretty simple. So look number two is a little bit more of an Instagram baddie kind of look. My crop top and jacket is the same as the previous look, and I just paired it with some cycle shorts. Here I'm just wearing a pair of Adidas socks, but you can also wear any other socks, or you can choose to wear no-show socks, and I paired it with my usual PRADA bum bag. In terms of lacing, I've done like this loop lacing kind of thing. The shoes actually come laced like that straight out of the box, so if you like that look you can just leave it on, but if not, it's super easy to do. You just gotta put the two shoelaces together and create a loop and pull it through, and that is how you lace them. Monsieur. Last but not least, we have the final outfit, and this is probably the most casual outfit and what I would usually wear anyway. So if you've seen me around, I probably look like that. So I'm wearing a PRADA bucket hat, my long sleeve t-shirt is from Comme des Garçons, and my wide leg pants is from Uniqlo. Personally for me, I'm not a fan of wearing really skinny leg pants or jeans with the 350s. I much prefer the look of wider leg pants, and that's why I paired it with my Uniqlo pants. And then I've also worn no-show socks. I've also laced it just like a regular shoelace. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will list everything that I wore in the description bar below so you guys can check it out, and let me know in the comments if you guys are thinking of picking up a pair of the zebras. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays, so you guys don't want to miss out. And there will be a lot of upcoming Yeezy drops, so the Salt 500s as well as the Statics. So I will most likely be doing a video on those, so you guys better stay tuned, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. Why am I rambling so much? Hey guys, welcome back to my